System data sounds mysterious, but it's really just your Mac's junk drawer, full of caches, logs, backups, and leftover files macOS keeps just in case. The problem is there's no delete system data button. You open the storage panel, see that massive gray bar, and when you click it, nothing. No details, no explanation. That's because most of it hides deep inside protected folders that macOS locks away to prevent accidental damage. But mixed in with the important stuff are gigabytes of clutter your system doesn't actually need. Open Finder, click Go, and choose Computer. Switch to List View so you can sort folders by size. Press Command and J and turn on Calculate All Sizes to make Finder show how large each folder is. Then press Shift Command and period to reveal hidden files. Next, open Macintosh HD, then Users, your username, and the library folder. This is where most of the hidden clutter lives. Click the size column to sort from largest to smallest and check which folders take up the most space. You can safely delete a few things here. Open caches, everything here is temporary and safe to remove. If you use Adobe apps, go into Application Support, then Adobe, then Common, then Media Cache, and delete its contents. If you use Xcode, open Developer, then Xcode, then derive data and remove everything inside. Important, avoid touching folders like containers, group containers, or anything inside the main system or library folders on your drive. Those hold essential files macOS needs to run smoothly. And finally, once you've cleared the safe folders, empty the bin again and open System Settings, then General, then Storage to check your progress. You should already see a noticeable drop in the system data section. If you've done everything so far and your system data is still massive, here's what's probably hiding in there. Local time machine snapshots. macOS creates these automatically to help restore files, but over time, they can quietly fill up tens of gigabytes of space. The catch? They don't show up anywhere obvious in Finder or storage settings. You have to dig a little deeper. Here's how. Open Terminal. Type the command shown on the screen and press Return. This shows you a list of local time machine snapshots saved on your drive. If you see a bunch of timestamps, you can safely delete them. Now, here's an optional step. Go to System Settings, then General, then Time Machine, then Options, and temporarily switch backups to manual. That stops macOS from creating new local snapshots for a while. Once you're done cleaning up, you can turn automatic backups back on. One thing to note, macOS usually deletes old snapshots automatically when space is low, so this is more of an advanced cleanup step for when system data still refuses to shrink after everything else. To keep things running smoothly, restart your Mac once a week, clear app caches from time to time, and make sure cloud storage stays set to online only. That's all the maintenance your system really needs. If you found this helpful, check out our upcoming video on the best Mac cleaners, which is perfect if you'd rather automate everything we just did. Subscribe to Safety Detective so you don't miss it, and tell us in the comments how much space you managed to recover. Until next time, stay secure and keep your Mac running like new.